Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Apple Music. This content is not authorized. Fix DRM region and account issues. Fix 1. Delete and re-download. You have to open the Apple Music, long press the broken track and tap on the remove. Select remove download or delete from library. Then tap on the cloud icon to download it again. Fix 2. Toggle sync library. Open your iPhone settings and scroll down and tap on the music. Toggle the sync library off and wait for 10 seconds and toggle sync library back on. Fix 3. Sign out of media and purchases. Open your iPhone setting, tap your name at the very top, select media and purchases, tap on sign out. Tap media and purchases again to log back in. Fix 4. Turn on mobile data. On your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on music and tap on mobile data. Toggle the mobile data to green on. Toggle the streaming to green on. Thanks for watching.